The phone is a Qlive 5039D, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, there is one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. It comes usually provided with the device, so you can find it somewhere in the box. But if you can't, you can always use a paper clip, just straighten out one of the edges and it will work just as well. So from there, once you have that ready, you can pop out the tray, which is located on the left upper side, so where the pin is right now. Push out the tray, where you will have access to an SD tray and SIM. So I'm just going to place first the SD card, like so, and then the SIM card, as you can see, like so. Now, they're not holding by any means, they're just laying there, so if you flip it over, they will fall out. So you want to hold it securely while sliding it back in so it doesn't fall out, like so. And from there, let's just unlock the device. So you can see that there's already the pin for the SIM card, and I'm gonna put that in. And SD card is being read as well. So there it is, SD card. So as you can see, both of them are working, and that is how you would insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.